Hello, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and I'm going to show you around our Audi SQ5 3-litre TFSI Quattro FD68DYF Daytona grey car with black leather interior. On a 68 plate, actually, one of the very final petrol-engined SQ5s sold. They stopped production of this model in the middle of 2008 and it wouldn't come back until the following model year, but only with a diesel engine. So I'm going to show you around the car, one panel, one interior area at a time. I will highlight any imperfections I see as we go around the car. Silencing that call. We'll highlight a few optional extras on the car, key features as we go around it. I'm not going to try and show you every single feature. If you would like to look at specification in detail, you'll find that broken down in full in the main body text of the advert, where you'll also find fully itemised service records. So, general look at the front end there. Paint, fit, finish, overall condition are really nice. I'm going to go in very, very close now and just try and highlight a few small stone chips for you, but it's actually quite light on chips. And little one there, little one there. You've got to be right up close, you've got to be looking. It presents really well. Down to the bumper and the front end plastics, so headlight bright and clear. The paint and the fit of the front bumper look nice. Again, you know, if you go in close, yes, there's small stone chips. There's nothing I'd call damage, there's nothing unsightly. There's no damage on any of the grills or plastic parts. No scuffing down low. Headlamp on the near side also bright and clear. And to the near side of the car. Near side? What do you say? One of those. Moving phone around just so you can watch reflections. Alignment is absolutely spot on. Paint looks great. No dents. Near side front wheel, freshly refurbished, so that's unmarked, that's in the factory diamond cut finish. They've been sent away, properly powder coated in diamond cut. They've not had a roadside repair, they've been done correctly. Red brake calipers on this car. See front brake disc there showing very minimal wear. There is but the tiniest of lips on that disc. I don't think that's at all old. It's all Goodyear Eagle F1 asymmetric 3 tyres on this car, and that near side front corner's probably got about 5mm of tread on it, so less than half worn. Stainless running boards on this car that are in good condition. I can't see any damage on those. Near side door mirror, no damage. Near side front door looks really good. Nothing to note on that, just beyond, you know, a couple of little chips. Near side front door panel, we have black Piano Lacquer interior inlays, black leather with contrast pale grey stitching, rock grey stitching I think it's called, Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade, there are a couple, if I get the light right, there's just, no you can't see them, now you can, there's a couple of very light marks on the centre console. Full black diamond stitched leather interior. Sport seats are standard on SQ5 that are also electrically adjustable. Near side rear door is just as nice as the near side front, and I'm going to make a very similar comment in that you've got a couple of really little marks on it, but focus, nothing of any consequence. Near side rear door panel. seat back. Rear seat. All looks spot on. 3-zone climate control in these. Paint of the quarter panel is spot on. Near side rear wheel being refurbished. Goodyear Eagle F1 tyre again, probably 5mm on that one. View up and over the roof. Panoramic glass sunroof on this car. And round to the tailgate, rear bumper. Tailgate looks really good. No scratching around the handle. Boot trims and carpets show only the lightest signs of wear. And you've got some, just a protector trim there, there's one little dent. Just fairly minimal signs of loading, really. Parcel trim back. Rear bumper and valance in good order with the funny pretend exhaust things. You can just see there is a small scratch there. Oh, that way. There is a small scratch there that's already booked for repair. On the off side of the car now, and again I'm down low, moving phone around so you can watch the reflections. The alignment is good, the paint is good. I can't see any dents to tell you about. I'm going to speed up now because the rain is just coming in. Paint of the quarter looks good. I do have a new string for the fuel flap to go on, fuel cap. Offside rear wheel, unmarked, newly refurbished. Goodyear with about 5mm of tread. Running board in excellent condition. Offside rear door in excellent condition. I can see one small chip just there. Door panel. Seat back, just light marks on that seat back you can see, presumably from somebody's 5-year-old's shoes. Other ages of children are available. Headrests present and correct. Offside rear door looks good. No dents. There's a couple of tiny little chips, but nothing of any consequence. No damage on the door mirror. Driver's door panel, not really showing anywhere on the armrest or grab handle. Control there for power folding door mirrors, control there for electric tailgate. Pop that ready. Flat bottom steering wheel in really nice condition. No notable wear or marks on the leather, and the leather is still nice and soft and satin in its appearance. It's not worn or shiny. You can see where someone's elbow's been on the armrest. And we've got just, I'll go slow so you can see, there's just very light wear on that outer seat bolster. It's still in really nice condition. Offside front wheel unmarked. Goodyear tyre, so matching set of 4 with about 5mm of tread again, so a long while before you'll need to think about new brakes or new tyres for this car. Engine bay, clean, tidy, and so the car is standard, it's not been modified. 3-litre petrol V6. I'm going to jump in and start it up, and before I continue talking I'm just going to very quickly back it back inside, as it will save me drying it off again. For details, is due a service, and for details of the included service, if you have a look at the main body text of the advert, you will find all of the service records to date and detail of the service it's having now. I sort of escaped the rain, sort of. Virtual cockpit on this car. Put back into park. So from cold straight into a smooth idle. No warning lights on other than telling me that it's due a service, as I say. My balance, please. Everything on virtual cockpit working as it should. Onto the MMI screen. Drive select controls there with individual control for engine and gearbox suspension control. So SQ5 does get adaptive dampers. You can make them a little softer, a little stiffer, as suits your preference or driving style. Change the weighting of the power steering and play around with the exhaust valves for a little more or a little less growl. We have European navigation, DAB digital radio, all of the other music sources listed on the music screen there. Smartphone interface, that gives us both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Parking sensors all round with reversing camera. And panoramic glass sunroof. Front panel tilt and slide, rear panel fixed, and we also have a full length one touch electric sun blind you'll see coming over now. Dum da dum da dum. Nice and smooth and quiet in operation. I think, as I mentioned when we were going around, you do get free zone climate control on SQ5. Focus. That's already starting to warm me up nicely. It is a little bit chilly today. The ventilation in the car and the interior in general smell fresh. There is no indication that this car has had pets or a smoker in. And there we go. I hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If you have any other questions, do of course feel free to ask. Thanks very much.